The owl who knew everything. In the heart of a quiet green forest stood a tall, strong tree. At the top of that tree lived an old owl named Oliver. He was known as the owl who knew everything. Oliver had lived in the forest for many years. He knew when the rain would come, when flowers would bloom, which berries were safe, and how many steps it took to reach the river. Animals came to him with questions and worries, and Oliver always gave calm, helpful answers. One morning, a young squirrel named Tina ran up the tree. "My brother is scared of the wind," she said. "How can I help him sleep?" Oliver blinked his big golden eyes. "Let him sleep near the strongest tree," he said. "Tell him the wind cannot move it. He will feel strong too." Tina smiled and went to tell her brother. Later that day, a rabbit named Milo came to see Oliver. "I hop too slow," Milo said. "The others are faster than me." Oliver gave a small smile. "Fast feet often make mistakes," he said. "Careful feet find safe paths. Your careful steps will help others too." Milo felt proud and walked home with more confidence. A few days later, a clever fox named Luna came to visit. She had heard about Oliver's wisdom. "Do you really know everything?" she asked. Oliver opened one eye and said, "No, but I know many things." Luna tilted her head. "Then, how are you wise?" Oliver replied, "Wisdom is not knowing every answer. It's knowing how to listen, how to think, and when to say I don't know." Luna was quiet. Then she smiled. "That's smart," she said. One morning, the sky turned dark before noon. The birds stopped singing. The wind grew cold. The forest felt strange. Animals gathered under Oliver's tree. Tina looked up. "What is happening?" "Is it a storm?" asked Milo. "Should we hide?" said Luna. Everyone looked up at Oliver, but this time Oliver was quiet. He looked at the sky, then at the ground. He listened to the wind. Then he said, "I don't know." The animals were shocked. Oliver didn't know. Luna stepped forward and said, "That's okay. Let's figure it out together." Oliver nodded. "Yes, let's look, listen, and learn." Tina climbed to a high branch. "The clouds are low and moving fast," she said. Milo placed his ear on the ground. "I hear a low rumble, like faraway thunder." Luna sniffs the air. "It smells like rain, but warm and new." The birds flew above. "The air feels heavy, but not scary," they said. Suddenly, boom! A loud sound echoed through the forest. Tina jumped. "What was that?" Oliver opened his wings and said, "It is not danger. It is change. Sometimes the forest changes. We must stay calm and be ready." Then soft rain began to fall. It was not cold. The rain was warm and gentle. The sky glowed purple and pink. Then the rain stopped. The clouds moved away, and in the sky appeared a rainbow. A bright, beautiful rainbow stretched across the forest. The animals stared in awe. "It's so pretty," said Milo. "I have never seen colors like this," said Tina. Luna smiled. "So that's what change looks like." Oliver nodded. We didn't understand at first, but we watched, we listened, and we learned. That evening, the animals sat in a big circle under the tree. Tina said, "We all learned something today." Milo said, "We found answers together." Luna said, "Oliver taught us it's okay not to know. What matters is staying curious." Oliver looked around at all the animals. He smiled. "That's true wisdom," he said. "I am proud of you all." After that day, animals still came to Oliver, but now they also asked each other. They shared their ideas, they solved problems together. Even Oliver learned new things from them. He was still called the owl who knew everything, but now everyone understood what that meant. It didn't mean he knew every answer. It meant he knew how to help others learn. He stayed curious, he stayed kind, and that made him wise.